All right, today I have a Mercedes key fob, and I'm going to show you how to use this Mercedes key fob. I'm going to show you how to remove the physical key from this key fob. I'm going to show you how to unlock it. I'm going to show you how to lock it, as well as the panic button and how to use this in the ignition. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you where the unlock is. If you look right here, you see that is how you unlock it. By simply pressing that, you unlock it. If you press this right here, where the lock looks like it's closed, you press this and you lock the door. All right, so, and then right here, you have a panic button. You press this, hold it down, and the panic button will go off, alerting people. All right, you'll hear it bam, bam, honking. All right, so you have that, and then you also have the key right here where you insert it in and you turn it like that, okay? You turn it like that to turn it on, turn it off, okay? And now what we have right here is we have this slot right here to eject the physical key. And I'm gonna show you how to do that. You're just gonna come up here, take this, press it. It's kind of tricky, so you wanna pull it this way and hold it down like that. It's a little tough. I need to have my key ring actually on here to do it. All right, come on, we can get this. All right, there we go. All right, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna get it a little frustrating. All right, so pop it, and if you have a key ring on here already, it comes out easier because you can just pull the key ring. So I had a little bit of difficulty, but not all is lost. So I pull this out, and this is the physical key right here that you can use. And when you're done, just go ahead and slide it back into the slot like, whoa, all right? And like, whoa, there it is. That's how you use the Mercedes key fob. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.